Thanks for tuning into SONICS. I'm going to take you, I'm going to take you, and I'm going to cut these all up for rails. There's one more. This is such good material, I could not save it. Ooh, got little rails. All right, I sanded some bases. I'm going to oil those up. I made a few little hanger sculptures. I think these are going to be a trio. Polish this one up a little bit. Everything's got a little touch to it. So I'm going to make a box for those and make a little sonic piece on that in between all the other stuff. I'm going to drill some holes, figure out what my drills are. Micrometer, it's pretty much the go-to for any machinist. That is 70 thousandths. And then I go over to my trusty dusty bell and grab my piece of little paper that I need my glasses to look at. 70 thousandths. 67 thousandths is drill number 51. 70 thousandths is drill number 50. So these are knots. It's almost plastic. It's so hard. Press fit, fit, slide fit are all different, you know. Half a thousandths too tight will lock something in. A thousandth too loose will just be loose. Sometimes net is just enough. 50. All right. Oh, we have this. Ooh. I had all of these and this. Oh, put maybe a little green wing on there too. This one, I'm not sure I want to do acrylic, but the colors are fun. That's just kind of one of those things that just starts to pop right in place. Okay, you're there. You're the kernel. You're the base and the kernel. Oh, I'm Diggeramenine, and you are the little. Oh, I think I'm gonna just change you around. I think you go there. You go there. blue and gold. Ooh, boop. Ooh, that might be a little big. A little bit big, maybe. Maybe not. Some of these look like they've been through a couple of fights and stitches. There we go. Blue and gold. Blue and gold. I like this. This is titanium. It's going to be hard to attach anything to that. But that's going to be the frosty white. Frosty white. Frosty white. That base is sanded. The techno green. Techno green. Yellow and red, screaming. Yellow and red. Look at you guys. You guys can just go over here. You will be used, along with all of you. You will be used. There we go. Things are pairing. We have things to go together. All right. I want to make a little, I'm going to start making this box. Those go together and these go together. I'm going to make an edge of a box. I'm going to just start putting things together. Oh, maybe pick these Bob G. It's a, looks like a guitar, but it's a Bob G. This is going to be the top. So I'm just gonna make a little thing. I'm just gonna see what happens. Look at this. I just started cutting at 30 degrees. 15 was weird. Almost looks like a diamond. Yeah. Diamond box. I love how these things happen. I just started cutting out different 30 degrees. It's a little weird. Kind of made it up for it in just different shapes. It's within 1/8 of an inch. I'll have a little hole in there, and I'm going to put a Sonic on here. This will be a Sonic box. Sonic box. I know this needs to be there just to spread out the weight. There you go. Da, da, da. Ooh. It's a diamond. It's a weird diamond. That's gonna be a little sonic bass with little feet, hole somewhere. Oh, let me see if I have. This might be a duo. I have this one. I think it might be a duo. We'll see. I had intended a trio of hangers, but that's yet to be played out. I have a bunch of these kernels I'm sanding to beautiful, and then those are going to go right onto these. And then once the bases and kernels are put together and paired, then I'll do the wings. I might just use that. This is like an in-between job as things are drying. I can do this project. I'm waiting for a few things to dry. Yes. All right, I'll be right back. You can already hear it. Bammo. You go there. You go there. Ooh. Cracking wood does never sound good when you're tightening something down. Gee whiz. Misaligned. Okay. One. I think I might have enough. Sweet. Cool. And I got McMaster Car, best supply company in the world. I got a new drill set, 0 to 60. Oh my gosh. Brand new. Look at that, all those drills. Those are all the different tube sizes that I'm going to be drilling to put these together. All right, dry. Next we'll put the top on, kernels to put onto the sculptures and put them together. And there you go. All right, I want to trim that off a little bit. There we go. Okay. The trio turned into the duo. It has evolved. Here are my little jewels. I'm going to keep those right there on their little bed of tissue. because now they're all shiny. I did my polish trick. Yep. These are like the little jewels on the end. And one that is just clear. .824 diamond. I'm going to glue this up. We'll glue that one up to there, put a little hole in it. I might put the hole in somewhere right there. Have something here. I'll have it here, here. We'll see. I think I'm just going to glue this one up really super quick. I have all the clamps here. Let's just do that real quick. Sometimes the way they intended it to be is just the easiest way. Slamming, slamming. Just like everything, I just start with an easy one. Okay, you just stay there. Okay. That is supreme, supreme. All right, I'm gonna do one at a time. Was that one? I don't know. Now I think it should be bigger. Oh, I think it should be bigger. Now I think it should be bigger. It seems a little demure to me. Where do we want that? Right there. I'm gonna make that. I have to make that. I don't think so. I just think so. Because this one just, I think it's too small. I think it's too small. I'll just do this. 61. 61. 61. The numbers are right here too. I just like looking them up. 59 and 53. 62 and a half is 1/16. and 63 is 52. Well, that pine just pops right out of there. Oh yeah. Nice, nice, nice. Nice. Yep. So clean. Right. You want to be right here. That is the deal. Ooh, we made 2 bases for this. And I'm gonna bet that they're a little more than a 16th. Let's see what they are. Ooh, yep, 75 thousandths. There's a variance. This one's 70. 71. This one's a little thicker. It looks like you can tell. I'm going to leave that. I'm going to sand these up a little bit, and then we'll go from there. Where's that clear? I had that clear. It is time to drill. Ooh, I like it. That's tight. Blue, yellow, green, black. I think I'm gonna do you right there. There's definitely a trajectory I have to go in that I want. Can't get it on the drill press, some things, but tight like you know it. And you go the way you want to go. You want to be there, don't you? Bam, bam, 80, 80. Techno green, ooh. Bammer. Bases have been paired. That one's gonna get a new one, hopefully overnight. This one's gonna get over here. These are gonna have to be dealt with. I'm going to undo that tomorrow. I have to wait, otherwise it'll just not be done. And look at that, we have a couple of SONICS sculptures. Got a blue and yellow, blue, green, black, other purple, blue, green, yellow, green techno, and then the crystal titanium. Maybe I can do that in a day, I don't know. We'll see. These two, I'll sand these and that. And we have a couple of sculptures on the way. I like it. And I'm gonna keep on going. Oh, yeah, I like that one too. That's gonna happen. Well, we'll see. All right. Alright, I got that. Stable bases. I kind of like that right there. And I have polished the jewel, hand polishing. Brown paper bag and tooth polish. Just rub it. And it's going to go onto this one. And these are what I'm going to finish up doing right now. For snippets. You know what? I am not going to rush on this. I want to sand it a little bit. I want to sand that, sand this. I want to make these right. Tucked in. Sculptures in the works, in the play. I got some kernels on bases. The diamond duo going on over here. Thanks for showing up. Thanks for tuning in. Tell your friends. I'm 4 away from 100 subscribers. That 100th person is going to get a gift. So I hope one of you know who that person is, and if you know that person, you might get something too. Keep tuning in to GreggEgg TV every third Thursday. We'll keep doing it. Peace. Stay creative.